Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video let me show you how you can close the magnifier on your Android. So as you can tell, my screen is zoomed in and I can kind of like click on things and so on, but it is like zoomed in, right? So I have this blue border around the screen, and essentially to get outside of that, you can triple click the screen with your finger like this, and it's gonna make it come back to normal, right? So this is essentially the feature, right? So now you can use two fingers to move around and even like zoom in and move around the screen. But to get outside of that, again, you just triple click with one finger. If you want to disable it fully, you can find this feature inside of the settings, and in the main section you need to find accessibility. So this is what it would look like, the accessibility setting. And within the accessibility, if you go to the vision enhancements and you go below, you should be able to find magnification in here. So when I go to magnification, you can stop it entirely, meaning that the shortcut of triple clicking the screen is not even active, right? Because obviously you can even change it to something else. By the way, if the triple click doesn't work as the shortcut to get outside of the zoom mode, it's possible that your phone is set to some different shortcut to get there. So make sure you explore these as well, because it's possible that your phone needs the, pressing and holding the volume up and volume down for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate the zoom mode. But the point is that if you don't want to use it, you can stop accessing the magnifying gesture altogether, and it's basically going to stay like this. So that is, I believe, everything you need to know about this. Let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. You can just hit the thumbs up or leave a comment below, but don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss quick tips like this one, and I'll see you later.